morning, everyone. So I just woke up. I'm really excited to bring you all along on my day today. I'm not really doing much, but I'm excited to show you all like the different self-care things that I implement and like the different affirmations that I use. So let's get started. So today I started my morning off with a little bit of deep breathing, and while washing my face, I recited motivational affirmations and also productivity affirmations because on this day I was taking one of my praxis exams, which is a certification test to teach. So I just wanted to make sure that I put myself in the right headspace and affirm my day correctly. Next, I just finished up my morning routine by brushing my teeth and also moisturizing my face with some sunscreen. And also a little bit of face butter. Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
Another important part of my morning routine is making sure that I make my bed every day. I always notice on days that I don't make my bed, I have the tendency of taking more naps or just not being as productive. And I wanted today to be as intentionally productive as possible. Another small act of self-care that I perform every day is making sure that I open my blinds, and today I made sure I put my plants and my flowers in the window. And just opening your blinds every day can really make a world of a difference. So next, I just got dressed and I wanted to be comfy today, so I have on my Zero Fatigue hoodie and some sweatpants. And while getting dressed, I completed this little note card that was on my mirror. So now it is time to make breakfast. So today I decided to toast an everything bagel. And then I added a little cream cheese, and then I got an orange from the fridge. Hello everyone. So I'm pretty much done like getting ready for the day, and I'm almost done with my breakfast, and I did my test taking affirmations. This is gonna go great. I'm excited to take it and I'm excited to be done, and I can rest for the rest of the day. So I will catch y'all after my test. Bye. Hello everyone. Update, I just finished my test. It's like it's 3:26 right now. It started at 12:10, so I'm really glad that that is over. I'm just about to relax for the rest of the day for real. I haven't slept a lot in a while, so I'm about to catch up on Grey's Anatomy and I'm gonna get some rest. I think I might order some boba too. So update, I made these like taco stuff, sweet potatoes the other day, and I got some left. So I'm about to eat and watch Grey's Anatomy. It's gonna be a great time. Yeah, get into it. Oh, I got baked batter ice cream with frosting and rainbow sprinkles. Yep. Hello everyone. Update is like 9 o'clock or something. I've just been chilling, watching TV, eating food. I got some big claws. If you like are in Hyattsville or like Maryland, you know that claws is really good. I got a shrimp basket with some fries. And Grey's Anatomy is still crazy. Shonda is just killing people. I don't know why. But yeah, my nice, just chilling. Hello everyone. So I've really just been chilling all day, just trying to give myself some R&R, but I'm about to start my nighttime routine, specifically like my bedtime routine with my affirmations and just everything I do to wind down for the night. So let's get started. So I just got out of the shower. It was a nice little shower. Now I'm about to just like moisturize my body and do my face routine and do my bedtime affirmations. Then I'm probably gonna make some tea, journal a little bit, hop in bed. So let's go. So I'm like all moisturized and ready for bed. So I think I'm gonna make some sleepy time tea. Yeah. And then I'm gonna journal a little bit and then just relax for the rest of the night. I am in the bed for the night. Thank you all so much for following me today and getting to see a day in my life with also my affirmations and my self-care. So I'm about to knock out. Sending you all love. Alexa, turn off the lights. Good night.